Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of iWave's MIL-STD-1553 IP Core. MIL-1553 has been the backbone of avionics, aerospace and defense communication for decades. And today we bring that proven standard into modern FPGA fabric. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features, architecture and a live demonstration of the IP Core, showing exactly how it performs on real hardware on a real 1553 bus. iWave's MIL-STD-1553 IP Core is implemented on the KCU105 Kintex UltraScale development kit. The FPGA interfaces to the 1553 bus through an FMC card equipped with the MIL-1553 compliant transformer coupled transceivers, ensuring fully isolated, standard compliant signal transmission on the bus. The DDC's USB to MIL-STD-1553 adapter serves as the reference device throughout this demo to verify the interoperability of the FPGA IP core with the MIL-1553 compliant device. The FPGA and DDC's USB to MIL-STD-1553 adapter are connected by MIL-1553 cable, shielded twisted pair with two stubs having 78 ohm characteristic impedance termination at both the ends, and it's exactly as the standard requires. iWave's MIL-STD-1553 IP Core supports bus controller, remote terminal and monitor terminal modes, which can be selected from the configuration menu, where monitor terminal acts as a passive listener on the bus. Now let's walk through each mode live on the hardware. Now the MIL-1553 adapter is configured as bus controller, and it schedules a receive command word to the remote terminal 1, subaddress 1 and word count 4, and transmitting data words to the remote terminal 1. iWave's MIL-STD-1553 FPGA IP Core as remote terminal. FPGA initialization sets the mode register to remote terminal mode with remote terminal address 1 and sets the remote terminal enable in the configuration menu. Now remote terminal mode active at address 1. Bus controller initiates the communication by sending command word to the remote terminal. The message log timestamped to microsecond resolution captures every transaction and status word from the remote terminal. The message log confirms the address match no error bits with valid status word. Also, the monitor terminal on the FPGA records the data received and transmitted through the bus, and we can see the records in the console. Let's reverse the roles. Adapter runs in remote terminal mode at address 1 and 2. iWave's MIL-1553 FPGA IP Core initialization sets FPGA in bus controller mode. The FPGA bus controller will be loaded with the receive command word to remote terminal 1 and remote terminal 1 to remote terminal 2 command word through AXI4 Lite interface with the frame gap of 1000 microseconds. Command transfer starts soon after the bus controller is enabled. The MIL-1553 adapter log shows the command word arriving with valid status words. No error bits, 0 no response flag. Data count received at MIL-1553 adapter confirms exact match. Also, the adapter log confirms correct command sequence and interword gap timing, fully compliant RT to RT message structure verified by an MIL-1553 off-the-shelf device. iWave's MIL standard 1553 IP Core offers a modern, flexible, and cost-effective alternative to traditional MIL-1553 ASICs. Integrating legacy bus capability into advanced FPGA-based hardware saves board space, reduces BOM, and eliminates obsolescence risk. Beyond the IP core, iWave also provides DO254 compliance certification artifacts, simplifying the certification process for safety critical programs and enabling customers to focus on system integration and deployment with confidence.